In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Stripe to find your API keys. Understanding where to locate these keys is essential, especially if you're setting up integrations or managing online transactions. So let's dive in and make this as simple and straightforward as possible. First, you'll need to head over to Stripe. To do this, open up your browser and type in the URL directly into the search bar, which will take you to the Stripe homepage. If you haven't already signed in, take a moment to do so using your account credentials. This step is crucial. Stripe hosts a wealth of features and information that is only accessible to logged-in users. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu on your dashboard. Here you'll find a section labeled Developers. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select API Keys. This particular section is where the real magic happens. Here you will see both your publishable key and your secret key. These keys are vital components for developers because they allow them to authenticate requests made to Stripe servers. Please remember that while your publishable key can be shared safely with others, your secret key must always remain confidential. Treat your secret key as you would a password. Exposing it could potentially lead to unauthorized access to your account. Once you've identified your API keys, you may want to jot them down or copy them into a secure document where you keep sensitive information. Many users find it helpful to understand the distinction between these two keys. The publishable key is used when interacting with the client side of your application, whereas the secret key enables server-side operations and should be protected with utmost care. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Stripe API keys, and you're well on your way to managing your Stripe account with greater control and reliability. Do keep in mind that this process is something you might need to repeat, especially when you're working with different projects or share access with various team members. I hope this step-by-step guide simplifies the task and empowers you to move forward with confidence. It's always a good practice to familiarize yourself with other sections of your Stripe dashboard, as understanding these tools can enhance your overall experience and ensure that you're making the most of what Stripe has to offer. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any further questions or need clarification on any of these steps, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. We're here to help you every step of the way.